Hello, hello, hello there. This is Anthony Ochoada here to sing. I would say to read this beautiful book to my children. Psalm One Chorus Wisdom Band and Serenity. This book is dedicated to Serenity because she's the youngest child, about 3 months old. She's doing very well, by the way. I thank God for that. But today our book is about, we are reading on the topic, Love Makes a Family. Love makes a family. Whether you are one parent, two moms, two dads, a mom and a dad, or another wonderful caregiver, there's one thing that makes every family a family, and that is love. A lot of people think that they understand what love is, but to be honest with you, there's a lot of people who don't know the meaning of love. They just speak the word love, but they don't know the meaning of it. They don't even know how to apply love. You got to learn to understand the application of love. That means letting your children do everything they want to do is not love. Letting your child do whatever they want is not love. But letting them do what they need to do in life, that's love. Because the world we live in today, you don't do everything you want. You don't do everything you want to do. However, you can do what you need to do to make yourself a better version of yourself. So here we go. We'll read about love. Psalm 1 encourage wisdom, bend, and serenity in our unborn children in time to come. So here we go. Love is waking up bright and early. Love is waking up bright and early. When you live life to the fullest, you will be happy to wake up in the morning and you will be happy to tackle the task ahead. That is love. That is loving things and learning to appreciate what the great God made you and provide for us. Love is baking a special cake. Love is basically, in my terms, doing what you love to do. Just do it because you love to do it. That's love. Okay. Love is knowing where everything is. You gotta know where your parents are. You gotta know where your friends are. You gotta know where your sisters, your brothers and sisters are. Know in your house where everything is. That's love. Love is finding the biggest puddles. That is playing in the backyard and doing things that you love to do. Love is knowing what to do, time to do it, place to be, right place at the right time. Love is lending a helping hand. Like I always tell courage and wisdom, it feels good to do the right thing. Just sit there, do something. Brothers and sisters, help your parents in the house. Help your mom and dad in the kitchen. Don't just stand there. Do something. When you do those things, what you do is it's favor for you. When you are a helping child, people start to favor you in that way. It happened to me. I'm sure it can happen to you too. Love is watching from the front row. Don't go sit in the back of the classroom. Some people that sit in the back of the classroom because they think that what they do, the teacher will not see it. Sit in the front. Watch everything that is going on. That is loving. That's a memory to develop for yourself, to build for yourself, my children. Love is playing on the weekend. Play on the weekend with your children so you build memories together. Those memories are something that just don't go away. Love is loving to learn to love. And love is, in our African term, it takes a village to raise a child. So love is loving every child that comes across you, whether it's your own or not. Love each other. First, you got to start from your house. If you don't love your mom and dad, how can you really fully love someone else's mom and dad? If you can love your brothers and sisters, how can you fully actually love someone else's brothers and sisters? Love is thicker than blood is thicker than water, I say. So start from home. If you start home, then you can expand. And then you can start to love and love and love and love. You cannot give love to someone else and then in your own family there's no love. Then that means you are a hypocrite. My children, do not be a hypocrite. Learn to love yourselves, love your family, then you can love others. Not the other way around. Love is making things better again. Love is making change. Love is making things better again. If you see something that needs to be better, do it. And when you work at home, do it best. Do the best to your ability. Don't just do it half. When you're doing anything, do it to the best of your ability. That's love. Doing what you do. When you do that, you will not regret. All right? Love is washing away the day. Washing away the day. You are literally at the end of the day, take a shower, take a bath, and all that stuff. And then getting ready for another day. Love is reading one more books. Learn to read a book every day. Learn to grow every day. Learn to grow in your family. Learn to learn new things. Learn to make new friends. Learn to tell people that you love them because you know what? You don't know if you will see them tomorrow. That's love. Love is chasing away monsters. Well, guess what? If you love, and I call it hunting the good stuff. If you can hunt the good stuff, you won't have to worry about the bad stuff. It will go away automatically. Love. All right? Love is a kiss before bedtime. Good night. When you love your family and you love your siblings, you love your brothers and sisters, you go to bed, you tell them you love them. Because you know what? You don't know if you're going to see them tomorrow. Your mom and dad, you tell them you love them. When you go into school, when you come home before you go to bed, because you know what? I've seen a lot of instances where a family member died and they wish they had said, I love you just one more time. So don't shy away from telling someone you love them. Love people. Tell people you love them. Give people their flowers while they are alive. Otherwise, you may just regret it. And I don't want to regret it. I don't want to regret it. I love my kids. I love all of you. Sign Wonder Chorus, Wisdom, Ben, Serenity. This is when you learn to love. If you have any questions, until then, this is it. This is your daddy, the Ochoadas. Legendary. Until next time, I'll read to you guys again. Bye bye.